Hi everyone, 3 months ago I pressed record on my camera for the first time, and honestly I had no idea what I was getting myself into. Fast forward to today and I've got 156 subscribers on YouTube, 31 Instagram followers and 68 TikTok followers. To some these numbers might be small, but to me they are huge because every one of you represents trust, time and belief in this journey. And for that, I am deeply grateful. In this video, I'm opening up about my 3-month social media journey, the struggles, the lessons, the wins, and the people who helped me along the way. And believe me, it wasn't always pretty. Section 1, old habits. Before I start, I had this bad habit. I spend more time overthinking than actually doing. Research became my comfort zone. Instead of hitting record, I always got lost in notes, scripts, and reading blogs, and watching hours of tutorials. Don't get me wrong, preparation is important, but there's a fine line between preparation and procrastination, and I was definitely crossing that line. Starting social media forced me to break the bad habit, because here's the truth. You can't edit a video that you never recorded. You can't share a message that is still stuck on your head. Hitting the recording button is where the magic begins. Section 2, how my mindset and business strategy coach influenced me. One of the biggest turning points was working with my mindset and business strategy coach. This person helped me shift my mindset from perfection to progress. They reminded me, Abdirahim, don't aim to be perfect, aim to be consistent. The advice became my North Star. Whenever I felt stuck, overwhelmed, or doubtful, I came back to that principle. Consistency beats perfection. And without that coaching, I probably would have quit before I even began. Section 3, my editing journey. Now let's be clear, I didn't do any editing myself. From day one, I knew I needed help, but the real struggle was finding good editors who understood my vision. At the start, I worked with 2 editors. One focused on creating the long-form video on YouTube, and the other handled the short-form content. 3 reels every week for Instagram and TikTok. On paper, it sounds like a perfect system. In reality, it was stressful. Getting both editors to match my standard, my style, and my expectation took a long time. Feedback and back and forth communication. I felt like I was managing a mini production team before I even found my rhythm. But here's the thing, every round of feedback, every adjustment, every lighter revision brought me closer to the system I needed. Those early challenges taught me to be patient, clarity, and the importance of building a team that really gets you. And then came the breakthrough, connecting with a group of editors from Bangladesh. And honestly, they've been excellent. Their consistency, creativity, and attention to detail have taken my content to the next level. Suddenly, editing stopped being bottleneck. Instead of worrying whether my videos would look polished, I could focus on what I loved, planning, filming, and sharing value with my audience. That transition from struggle to finding a good editors to finally having a reliable, professional team transformed the whole journey. It turned what used to be chaos into a rhythm that now feels smooth, sustainable, and exciting. Section 4, finding my rhythm. These days, I finally feel I found my rhythm. Filming doesn't scare me anymore. Editing doesn't drain me, and posting feels exciting instead of terrifying. I wake up thinking, what value can I bring today? That shift of mindset has been powerful. Of course, there's still a long way to go. I'm learning, experimenting, and improving every single day. But compared to where I started, this is progress worth celebrating. Section 5, gratitude and appreciation. And speaking of celebrating, I want to pause and thank you. 156 subscribers on YouTube, 31 followers on Instagram, 68 followers on TikTok. Those numbers might not be millions, but they mean everything to me because they represent people who decided to stop scrolling, listen, and support my journey. To all my subscribers, followers, and silent supporters who watch but haven't hit follow yet, I see you, I appreciate you, and you motivate me to keep going. Thank you. Section 6, my professional background. Let me quickly share a little bit about myself so you know where I'm coming from. I graduated from Sheffield University back in 2006, and since then I spent over a decade working in structural design here in the UK. in both the private and public sector. Along the way, I've also worked as a consultant, helping people turn ideas into reality, from the very first sketch all the way through to the finished building. That's the experience I bring into the content today. When I talk about design, construction, or consultancy, I'm not just sharing theory, I'm sharing lessons I've lived. And my aim is simple: make that knowledge practical and useful for anybody who wants to design their dream. So, 3 months in, what's the verdict? Social media is hard, but it's worth it. It challenges you, grows you, and connects you to amazing people around the world. If you've been thinking about starting, my advice is simple: start now. Start messy, but just start. And if you enjoyed this journey so far, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and share this video with somebody who needs inspiration today. A massive thank you once again to my editing team for bringing these ideas to life. And for every single one of you, subscribers, followers, and silent supporters who have given me the motivation to keep going. This is just the beginning, and I can't wait to see where we go together. I'm Engineer Abdirahim Mohamed. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.